Hello, sir. This is Althea, and this is my activity for the lung cancer prediction activity. So I have here the train model, this one, and I have here the CSV file, wherein I change the data from 1 to 0 and 2 to 1. So 0 here means no, and 1 means yes. So one for the first column, one means male and 0 means female. So we have here the gender, age, and the um, related symptoms for the lung cancer. So since I've changed the data, I just commented this line to avoid repetition. So let's try this. Let's try to run this one. Python 3. So for the precision, we have 0.84 and 0.90. So the data here, the columns are the data are balanced, which means 50% uh, person who has lung cancer and 50% for not having lung cancer. So here in the train model, since um, the example for prediction is here, um, most number is 1, which means it has a lung cancer. So for the prediction, um, with lung cancer. So let's try to change it into 2, into 0. That means no lung cancer. 0, 0, 0, and 2, 1. Save and then rerun. So the prediction here is now without lung cancer. Precision 84, 90. So let's run the predict.py. So for the predict.py, the user will um, answer yes, which is 1, and no, 0 for the questions. So let's try to run predict.py. Smoking, 1 for yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Gender, I gender 1, 66.
Based on the input data,
Since
the
1
model predicts that the person may have lung cancer.
is equivalent to yes, and the data says that um, yes for smoking, yellow fingers, anxiety, etc. So the prediction here is with lung cancer. So let's try another 0, 0 for no, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 76.
Based on the input data, the model predicts that the person may not have lung cancer.
Here is lung cancer. So that's all for the activity one, sir, for the lung cancer prediction. Thank you for watching.